6 symptoms that you might be experiencing that points towards an autoimmune condition. Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta and I've been living with an autoimmune condition called rheumatoid arthritis for the past 11 years. So let me talk about 6 symptoms that if you are experiencing more than one of those, you must investigate them further and find out if you are suffering from an autoimmune disease. Number 1, constant fatigue. If you wake up feeling tired, even without doing anything, you have this tired feeling throughout the day, then maybe there is something more to this tiredness. Number 2, pain and swelling in your joints. If you have constant pain and your joints are swollen up or red, and if you're feeling this without even exercising or doing anything, the pain just does not go away. Maybe there's an autoimmune condition which you're not aware of. The third one is skin problems. If you are suffering from skin problems without any reason, if you get dry skin, irritated skin, itchy skin, then maybe there is something more to it than just a regular skin issue, than just something regular. Number fourth is digestive issues. If you have constant bloating, gas, indigestion, or loose motions, tummy ache, and these seem to be happening very frequently without any very big reason, then maybe there is, it's telling you something about your stomach or your gut, and that something is not correct in your body and you must investigate this further. Recurring fever is the fifth one. If you feel that you have been getting low grade fever quite a few times during the month and without any tiredness or anything, suddenly you seem to get fever and it lasts for a couple of days and then you get it over and over again, this is not regular and you must investigate this further. If the sixth one here is swollen glands. If you feel that your glands are swollen, and if you find yourself the voice getting hoarse, or finding difficulty in gulping, or any mood swings or different kind of other problems that you're constantly facing and you're not really aware of what the reasons could be, then it's time that you give this more consideration and take this more seriously. So the six things that I have told you right now, which points towards autoimmune conditions, are: number one, constant fatigue; number two, pain in your joints or swelling in the joints; number three is skin issues; number four, digestive issues; number five, recurring fever; and number six, swollen glands. If you are suffering from more than one symptom, consider showing yourself to a good doctor and getting your blood work done to find out if you have antibodies or inflammation in your body. That would help you get started with your condition, and you could also refer to a good holistic nutritionist or a coach who can point you towards the right kind of diet or right kind of things that you need to do to reduce or manage these symptoms. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel, for I would be talking more about autoimmune conditions and will give you more inputs about how you can reduce such a condition like rheumatoid arthritis. Thank you.